Welcome to Kids Grade. Today we talk about animals and their sounds. Cow. Cow sound is moo. Horse. Horse sound is nee. Sheep. Sheep sound is ba.
Ba, ba, ba.
Duck. Duck sound is quack. Pig. Pig sound is oink. Tiger. Tiger sound is growl. Hen. Hen sound is cluck. Cat. Cat sound is meow. Dog. Dog sound is bark. Rat. Rat sound is quick. Elephant. Elephant sound is trumpet. Owl. Owl sound is hoot. Frog. Frog sound is ribbit. Snake. Snake sound is hiss. Bee. Bee sound is buzz. Whale. Whale sound is whistle. Kangaroo. Kangaroo sound is boing. Donkey. Donkey sound is hee-haw. Giraffe. Giraffe sound is bleat. Monkey. Monkey is hoo hoo. Bird. Bird sound is tweet.